Dancehall DJ Laden among 3 held with gun in St. Elizabeth.
What's going on? It's Laden.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Viewers, news has emerged that a dancehall entertainer was among 3 men arrested and charged by the St. Elizabeth police in connection with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition during an operation in Cheapside District Junction in St. Elizabeth on Wednesday the 28th of October. The men have been identified as 33-year-old O'Keefe Aarons, otherwise called Laden, an entertainer of Dunda District in St. Elizabeth, and 21-year-old Sion Ibanks, a labourer of Nemard Town and the Junction, both in St. Elizabeth. A 16-year-old boy was also one of those arrested and charged. Reports from the Black River Police are that about 10:40 p.m., lawmen were in the area when they signaled the driver of a black Mercedes-Benz motorcar to stop. The driver initially complied but sped off when the police approached. The police went in pursuit and observed an object being thrown from the sunroof of the car. The vehicle was subsequently intercepted and the occupants searched. The police went back to the area where the object was thrown and retrieved a high-point 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 1 9mm round of ammunition. The men are scheduled to appear before the court at a date to be decided. Investigations continue into the incident.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them! Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.